Hello everyone, welcome back to Android Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Bluetooth or iPhone cannot find Bluetooth, or you're having this particular trouble whenever you are trying to pair something with your iPhone. So when you are trying to pair any kind of AirPods or something, every single time when you're trying to do this up, you're ending up in all these kind of issues. You're having a lot of trouble, and which is called, these kind of troubles. So many users are happening these kind of trouble when they're trying to get this up. They're not able to find the Bluetooth and how we can fix this up. So if that is the case, let me talk about how we can fix this up. So the first one is all about whenever you are having this trouble, the first one is all about you have to turn on the Bluetooth. That is what you have to, or you have to cross check the Bluetooth is turned on or not. So just go over here in the settings. Now from here you have to navigate to the Bluetooth and make sure if it is not turned on. Most probably sometimes accidentally it might not be turned on. So you have to just go over here, turn this on, and once you turn this on, you have to cross check yourself. After this, you have to try connecting to the respective one and you will be able to do this up. This is what you have to do. So you have to just turn on the Bluetooth, and that is the first step you have to do as the basic step. After trying with this one, you turn on the Bluetooth, but the respective one which you're trying to connect, maybe you're trying to connect this particular AirPod, it is not working. So if the AirPod is not working, you can try like this. If this is not working, what you can do is, the best thing what you can do is you try a couple of times to pair this particular AirPod with the iPhone, but you turn it on the Bluetooth as well and you're having a lot of trouble. So not only for this particular one, you can also, it depends on the device to device. For the AirPod, even after you try a little bit of time, the best thing we can do this, if check at there is an option called this particular button. If you press and hold this one, it is like a reset for the AirPod. So once you do a reset on the AirPod, you have to press and hold this particular button. So this will start flashing, like it will be flashing. For example, when you press and hold like this, it will be like flashing. So when you get completely a flashing one, after it's completely flashing, it will be like a fresh start for the AirPod. And once afterwards, if you're trying to pair this up, you will be able to see this. Like it starts to get connected. So you can tap over here and you can go to the settings over here. If you go to the Bluetooth, you will be able to get the notifications as well. So this did work. That means, completely doing a resetting for the Bluetooth device did work for many users. So you can try this out as well. After trying with this, if you move to the next step is all about we have to turn off restrictions, and it worked for many users. So just go over here in the settings. Now from here, what you need to do is we just need to go over here in the settings, and now from here you can go over here, we can navigate to, if you go over here you will be able to navigate to screen time, and now from here go to the content and privacy restrictions. As you can see, I have turned this off. So if it is turned on, this is one of the main reasons why you are having this particular issue. So if the content and privacy restriction is turned on, you have to turn this off, or you have to cross check whether this is turned off or not. After cross checking this and it is turned off, we have to move to the next step. Next step is nothing but we have to do a software update. For software update, we have to tap over here in the settings. Now from here we have to navigate to general. Now from here we have to go to the software update. Now from here we should be needing an internet connection, so just go to the software update. And if you are getting any kind of software update, you have to update the software and make sure it to the latest versions. And once afterwards, like if it's on the latest version is enabled, and once after that we'll be getting this particular option. So just download and install the latest version. Afterwards, most probably see whether the issue is solved or not. Still the issue is not persistent, you can do one more step from the settings itself, that we have to reset network settings. So just tap over here in the general from the settings, scroll down and navigate to transfer or reset iPhone. Go over here in the reset, and there is an option called reset network settings. So just tap on the reset network settings. Once after you're done with this reset network settings, most probably the issue regarding Bluetooth is not pairing, or the Bluetooth is not able to see it up, or if iPhone cannot find the Bluetooth issue, will be completely fixed. You can try this particular step. Not only for this one, you can also try this step for all the segments of iPhone, for the latest and the older versions. You can try this for all these things, and most probably the next time when you're trying to connect it up, you'll not be having any kind of issues, and you can pair up the AirPod or any kind of things, even the Apple Watch, whatever you're trying to pair, it will be successful, and this is what you have to do. So I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.